What's up, everybody? Today I'm going to be showing you another vacuum I've got a part of my collection. Now, I haven't been making any videos lately. That's because I haven't acquired anything new because I've been trying to save money. But now I'm back and I got this beauty. This Breathe Easy was when the Hoover Elites were at the end of their era, and the Breathe Easy was their last go. And a few of the lower end Elites went on into the early 2000s. But this was definitely one of the high end models because this is one of the models that has the soft guard, which is this big furniture rubber guard around the head there to protect your furniture from getting scuffed, which is very nice. One nice feature that this has compared to the Dimension is that it has a post motor filter, which no other direct air vacuum on the market actually runs this. And yeah, you could use a little bit of attention. Might need to get a replacement filter for this one of these days. But anyway, let's go and show you the bag here. I am running a Hoover Type Y bag. It says back here that it takes Type Z bags, but many people will know the Type Y is essentially a Type Z. I'm not too sure why they renamed it. But anyway, this is one of the more high-end models of the SoftGuard series to have the embedded dirt finder. Now, interesting fact is that this dirt finder I found ran off a little 9-volt battery that sits right under here. And since it's battery operated, it can turn on even when the vacuum's not running. I'm serious, watch. This is before on the wind tunnel they decided to have this permanently wired into the machine instead of just having it run off that little battery. I'm convinced that when Hoover put this on their Elite machines, the Legacy Dirt Finder, the Dimension-based Dirt Finder, and I think even the Turbo Power 4200 all use this, and I think there was even one on one of the Power Drive models. They decided to go ahead and run it off the 9-volt battery because they didn't want to mess up the wiring inside the motor because they didn't want to ruin the reliability of it. That's my theory, but anyway. So anyway, like I said, being one of the soft guards, it has this nice big rubber protection guard around the head of the vacuum with a nice 15-inch cleaning width. Definitely covers a lot more ground than the standard Elite, with 4 carpet height adjustments. And you will notice right here it says cleaning tools. If you slide it on over to your 5th, it blocks off the suction going to the vacuum head, and you could use your cleaning tools. Get your hose. It comes with a nice little extension wand right there. Then all your tools mounted up top here, kind of like a Dimension. You got your dusting brush right here. You also have your crevice tool and your upholstery tool. So anyway, let's go ahead and show you underneath. Right here is the Brushroll. It's the original Brushroll that came with it. And believe it or not, this is actually the same Brushroll that they use in the wind tunnels, because this is the exact same 15-inch width of Brushroll. And also a nice thing on these higher SoftGuard series, at least the ones with the 15-inch, they also have the side edge groomers like the wind tunnel, which is quite nice. Now let's go ahead and turn it off the side here and show you the model number. This is model U5270-930. It's the 7.3 amp motor. Type Z bags, 120 volts, 60 hertz. And if you look closely at the serial number right there, the first two digits is the month that it was created. The third and fourth digit is the year. So this is April of 1999. So this machine is before the early 2000s, when I think they renamed this the Wide Path and added a 12 amp motor and dropped the embedded dirt finder. That's very nice. So let's go ahead and flip it back up. And now we'll go ahead and show you this thing in action. And one thing before I do, let's go ahead and put it back to the third carpet height setting for the pile of my carpet and release the cord. The cord hook is very nice and stiff. Sometimes it doesn't even want to come off, which this is kind of nice. Most of the elite cords you find nowadays, they barely turn off, which they're very loose, I should say. So anyway, let's go ahead and make sure it's tangled up here. We'll go ahead and plug it in. And let's go ahead and show you this thing running. And here's the power switch right here. It's actually connected to a large plastic rod that runs down to the main rocker switch in the motor, like a traditional Elite. Now, let's run it. Now, I would like to point out it is pretty noisy, so headphone users beware. You will notice the embedded dirt finder changes from green to red. Runs very smooth. It's rated at 20 cleaning effectiveness per amp. I forgot to show you that. I really don't understand why Hoover put that there. I'm thinking that was just a marketing technique. But now let's go ahead and show you the tools in action. This pops off like that. Suction is not really the highest because this is a direct air machine. Here's your extension one. Get out some of the tools up here. Your upholstery tool. Dusting brush. you can stretch with the stretch hose. Alright, we're going to set that back to carpet. So, I hope you've enjoyed this review of the Hoover Breathe Easy. Hope you enjoyed, and don't forget to like, rate, comment, and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.